Alright guys, here's a new mod for the G37. They are Luxus floor mats. I will put their at up here. And yeah, let's get straight up to unboxing them. Alright guys, let's get straight up into unboxing these floor mats. Just take them out this box right here. I'm doing this inside as opposed to outside because there is a bunch of noise outside right now. Check that out guys. Here are the floor mats. This is the driver, passenger, and obviously rear floor mat right here. Guys, first off, I have to say the quality on these mats are none other to the ones I've seen on Amazon. I mean, just look at the little footrest, nice rubberized texture for your foot to sit on, and we did go with black leather and purple stitching. I'll zoom in on that for you guys right here. You could take a look at that. The quality is outstanding. These mats are made from a company called Luxus Floor Mats. You can find them on Instagram. I will put their @ on the screen somewhere, and I also put my discount code on the screen and my link in the bio, so you guys can go cop yourself a pair if you like these after seeing this video. Alright guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's go outside and install these floor mats. Alright guys, so we're inside the car now. We're gonna be taking out the old brand logo floor mats. They just slide everywhere. I don't really like them. And we're gonna be installing the new floor mats. We're gonna end up moving the car first. I got this steering wheel cover to protect the carbon, but we're gonna move it over there so we can plug in the vacuum by the outlet right there and start vacuuming the interior from the front and the back. Let's see if this thing starts. It has been 3 weeks with no driving. Yeah, car's dead. I'm gonna need a jump. Yep, no, car's completely dead. Let's try one more time. Alright, we're gonna need to grab some jumper cables then and start the car. Alright guys, the car will not start. I kinda expected that. It's been sitting for 3 weeks. I mean, just look how dirty this is. We got spider webs and dirt everywhere. So we're just gonna, I put an extension cord on the vacuum. We're just gonna vacuum up the interior right now. Take out the floor mats. So we're just gonna start out by taking out the old floor mats, setting them aside, and thankfully it's not too dirty, but we're just gonna get everything nice and clean and start the install. Alright guys, we have the floor mats in the car, just threw them in there. We're gonna probably start out with this middle piece right here, get everything nice and flush, and then we'll proceed from there. I have the floor mats in place, essentially not fully clipped on yet. They have these clips right here on the bottom that you can use to tuck into the trim right here. But we are gonna try and tuck this in, just lifting the seat up like so, and we should be able to make it completely flush. We got the clips in right here, tuck them underneath the trim, nice and snug, secure. Came with this Velcro piece that we're gonna attach to this trim right here, so this stays in place. Comes with Velcro and the Velcro adhesive. So we're gonna basically mash both of them together and put it right here. Here we have the first one, and then we're gonna apply the second one to that so they can both stick onto this. Now that the adhesive is stuck on, we're going to apply the mat. So just put pressure on it like so. And yeah, it's secure. It's not gonna move. Move on to the front now, because I'm tired of sitting in the back. If you guys know, these cars do not have any headroom whatsoever. We have the passenger floor mat coming up next. We're gonna be using these clips in the trim so everything is all snug like before, and yeah, let's get to it. We tucked this underneath the seat, and then we got these two clipped underneath the trim. And I did notice that there is a clip all the way back here, right there, but there's nowhere to tuck it, so we're gonna end up using the Velcro on this part again. Alright guys, pretty much the same thing as the previous mat. Just do all the clips right here and over here, and then install should be complete. Could not forget about the last finishing touch, just take off. Look at that guys. Nice branded logo right there. And the floor mats are installed. Alright guys, that was today's video. Hold up, this is zooming in by itself. Alright guys, yeah, that was the video for today. We installed Luxuscarmats in the G37. Really simple mod, really straightforward install as well. Didn't really take a lot of time. Here's how they look like. Let me get in the car, show you a point of view. So yeah, I mean, fitment's pretty good. You could go the extra mile if you wanted and tuck this under the trim, which I'll probably do. I don't know, in the future sometime. And yeah, I mean, quality is really nice. I cannot recommend this enough guys for your car. They can make it for any cars, not just Infinities. And it's like laser cut and all that, so it fits pretty good. Guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys do want to cop yourself a set of Luxus floor mats, use my code. I'll put it up on the screen right now. It'll give you, I believe, 10 to 15% off your purchase for a full set of mats. I'd have to double check on that. It's also in my Instagram bio, GengarVQ, so check that out too guys. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.